Now RP 2021 is effectively over, but we are probably continuing with 16B 2022 now. So how are you looking at both these aspects?
See, first of all, what I would like to tell to you is like this. See, somehow we have to trust that something is coming good out of this. Immediately running after that, somebody is accountable. That then we'll have to go back in years when somebody has played some mischief here and there. At least let us go for the corrections first, and then try to find out what are the actually the things have gone wrong. Basically, I would like to come to one point because I have been in the chair of a HCPDA, Planning
Yeah.
Development Authority, as a chairman for 2 years. The basic thing what I noticed that anybody sits in that chair, that the people feel that only checking the files or signing the files is the only job of any PDA. Absolutely not, because that is what I tried to show when I was there.